super. Hey, cash. Debbie and Nosso. Superstar. So, just say, hey, the batch of Quecy. I was Quecy.
Nayas will feel me or check you.
Oh, Nasa Wowsha. And may not Papa Kumtacha Metobombo. Or no, I want some if you knew that. So I away. The batch of Busia for Lubia, Biaboko. In fact, dressing ye me fair. How a coye papa, how our casa, how our near ma. Just say, you be to suffer the MC no, how I wish, how I show. Just so be cruel so the MC so and our program so na ya kono na ye fe. Quecy official. Would Dianka say Shada Kim? Eddie say, Ufri him, and for our cool school, everything for you now, ever he.
Intimidianka said, I'm from the Ahins family. My papa de Ahin. Auntie, my brother Dian medical school a Shadrach Ahin. Shadrach Lawson. Okay. My papa na a day Ahin no. Fear Quecy. But on say Dean Ahin and the Quecy and I quite fancy, but
because can baby so say Quecy the fancy for a tie to Quecy. I say, what's also Sunday Quecy? That's why
Quecy.
Okay.
Quecy. It's Quecy. I think so be a only pa or from a Quecy. Okay. But Quecy, I think along the line no, it be free because of school and classmates in tea. It's in a Shadrach no, it be take you over for a while. And then I think that when time elapsed no, your son called back to Quecy without the pa. But omo mu name they call me Quecy. Yes.
So that is free here and Kasankasa.
Me free. Kwabre Bremine.
Kumasi
Bremine.
Okay.
Bremana ye free. Bremana me free. Me papa free offenso.
Okay.
Offenso amori.
Aso.
And ya tena Kumasi ya hwa ni nyina ye wo ye. Kwabre Hemine. Hwa ni tena ye. Nti
wo ye nuanom dodo sei.
Ye for.
Okay. Ematu mematu.
Oba one.
Okay.
And a birthday.
Oh, so.
And a happy birthday to Miss Abby.
About your camera now wishing mammy.
Hi, Miss Abby. Or a very stubborn. I think say on any day amongst four of us in Oba and any day would make you too. Wherever you are, I want to wish you a very happy birthday to you. Then we want you to grow and become the lady we all pray you become. It's here for me penning.
Oh wow.
Yes, me na me peninti me ansa di mechi. Emema bema baako na Abigail abana next of kin so aba. Me a bachelor's degree holder, me a graduate from the University of Education Winneba. Tiam say we school an enemu a yen hyeda nya adwuma papa bia anya ye di wura social media say yen kwhwade e wo social ne so a ye de nenemu a ene na ya asafre me a my
so Quecy, everybody and I would decide it's over to home from mama and papa. We will see for
so all my life, I think most of my life no, I haven't been with them. Me mama and papa you go for your man go school. But they value education. And then the point say realize is say the omo sa akwenya no anko school. Me drop it out from school I think class 3. Me papa dey I think so we JHS and I say JHS 2 no so the area. Okay. But I think say omo benya the importance tim papa for so long for so many years now as I see on Toby because o make sure say whatever income or making or the yen na ebe school. So see I'm not gonna say me a graduate, me she by a graduate, Miss Abby or level 300 or university, or training college. I saw. Yes, and last one is so Ghana Telecom University. Enti omusika na omodeba koton a yenta de na omodeba koton enyoma no. They made sure say they invested everything in us. Enti me from primary, all of us, boarding house. GHS boarding house, SHS boarding house, universities. Into me share that pan time me spend it with my parents a vacation. I think say Yankopon so dia a chair or no. I think say he God gave my parents the best kids. Everybody's intelligent one way or the other. I mean some of us go school with scholarships and all of that. I think say They've done well.
They've done well.
They've done well.
Dear, I mean, make us a parent, be ya, and I'm I prepare and I would decide, and I say, a bow will say, over TikTok, no, as so. Now I cited on so Juma Ben Potty, and now we young son of the TikTok. So
I think that TikTok there, everybody came on TikTok during the COVID era.
Okay.
Time na yen na board na she there my yen shede ni baw e corner di bawade no. So those times na ba TikTok, but it was just a normal me that time me nim say if be influencing. Me dey an say me wie that time me wie university. Me am national service nti. E kwan ben na me fa so me nyi adwuma and all of that. And no na me hwe TikTok that time na me ba na me hu se obi a video be me fe na ma ye bi. E won trend nipa be utimi jiro ho no aye video na nipa tre ahwe. E no unya ten a u jampe na say u free stro.
Yeah.
It's 2023.
Yeah.
Latter part of 2023. And me share say Charlie TikTok. You was funny serious.
So funny. What started 2020 COVID time.
Yes. So, but now very dormant.
Yeah. So 2023
ending around November.
Okay, October, November, December.
Yes.
You see who that we remember 2020.
And I'm here.
Okay, so 2023
ending.
Okay,
the letter,
October,
the end
November,
of,
December.
Yes.
All right.
And me room. So I think say that time now me over 26,000 followers. Okay. I think say me build it up from Day Trash. Time I me call TV3 Day Trash, you know. And I me the build it sa number of following no or me TikTok.
Okay.
But it be very dormant for a while.
Wow.
Until 2023 ending. And I think the Ghana's Most Beautiful. We grand finale no. Na me sentiment bi a me pese me share. So Nayas ade o ye me feel sanko ye ni se anke beboa. Me feel say o ye ni se a obeboa. Obi ho ne me ya adwene, obi ho ne me nya adwene. Na ebi ma be che o ma adwene. So I started picking on issues, national issues, talking about national issues. Na ma share ma adwene. Na me ja to say na me drink, say na also so drink. Free ho no. And a PK, then I started getting the attention. Okay. People love the submissions now, me making no, and then Obia or a fan of that reality show, no, so no to me share the experiences and all of that. And from there, no, and the Quecy official brand, no. And Monyambe moi epijai.
Okay. Yeah. So before na ejuma be yankasa na wo ye na wure mu no. E ho no urefi.
The we am National Service of Ghana Atomic Energy Commission.
Ah, hacho. Aso.
Ti me we National Service no. Me papa ye afuom ni. Why na e ka bia ma me afa me. Ghana is interesting. I mean, so me we ye no na ni la so ni ho. And a national service time na me movie back me so and 20 charges we back now we or say me come back to baby I'm free by because ejuma bi anywhere I be sustain me wa kra. So I got an opportunity to be an administrator for a hospital Hacho
hospital
Onyx clinic.
So
yes, medical superintendent now or Ghana Atomic Energy Commission hospital. And hospital Gayek anka sent me am famine. And no case say dey obema me ejuma wo on any private hospital so man be administrator
before the now
into that time ni nyina na e ho na me hyen kakra na a few a me call me nya opportunity we run University of Ghana into see at the ejuma University of Ghana alongside with social media.
Wow.
To ejuma University of Ghana staff University of Ghana
ejuma be na wo ye
me wo University of Ghana Enterprises Limited. Yene in charge of the hostels. Inti se obenya dan, onya admission na obenya dan or campus wa.
Wow. So combining what TikTok nothing be as a your videos with frail. I mean
I think my job is one of the most flexible. Like I mean the ever flexible job I mean as a content creator. Any major na me no you run a shift.
Oh, okay.
There are times I will off.
Okay.
There are times I'll call morning, I'll call afternoon, I'll call night. Okay. Until time I make call night, and it means I have the full day to do whatever I want to do.
Videos.
Make call afternoon I have the morning to do whatever I want to do. Me call we and na me point you in the night and so meet me whatever I want to do. They come on and so I come on and after 2 my pon. The 2 me ko nyina meet me whatever I want to do.
Sika matesi ese TikTok no senya mo say we serious wo muni ade ade say wo de ade to ho na ko ba bia na yesi sika wo mpa. It will share comparing with Juma na we your hospital no is it Legon right and ne meka say TikTok oh yeah I say me say amu enti say no sika do say na wonya wo a month
we am sika
do so okay that is it me to infinity every month with sika infinity let me to a Benz C class
no so the truth is that sika or TikTok but sika ni TikTok.
Wow, ni say huntia.
TikTok entua oka to sell video akọ viral anti J $500 and I say J 10 cedis.
Na say ene pete.
Enti usu ene wo ban a wo de wo TikTok no de sika brew. The way I me carry me ho no. Obi to me reach out mama say the way I was share on near man me fenti me me
so sponsor me
so me want tade bi
okay
be say me de ma na wo share
okay
o sha o beje me say
okay o ye advert I mean advertising right okay
enti onim say me share the way I me share tade no obenya clients from that enti ma gi atade no free ma say agi ne sika say me share na tade
oh
do you understand obi ton product
obese ontoma obese nkofo
bell cola or the bell cola na brand
I mean oye aduane
oye restaurant
angel cola enye bell cola angel cola
it was the angel cola na brand me say menye ad man
okay
enyu come on
angel cola
because some say that mama cutting be
me patro mema be 15 kra me papa doctor Kukotin say we are here ma 15 daddy be be a nchaka se nkomo na CEO Mr Vincent and AB and ejuma kom impedifuna
angel cola breme drinks
yeah minchawa no ono mo ye net say
me no
wonte
me no pa
ono mo okay one say sugar be anim
me the ice go
cash
the yini mo a me glass ni ma na me hwie ni to bitime no ma na yes
eno ano
but me bra ya ade we ma me say ya advert bu a nti ko nyi ade na ehye
free na sakata
because ya advert
okay me patro you
enye no
me patro nyame nhira o aye brand nti yenko nyame nhira
or the product in the brand or the product in the brand
okay na me short na che say obia
be the man no to ho a na ma okay say na meji enti me sika na menya o TikTok no ye say obia work it to you say me say o advertise me na hwe me page a menye ade ba akope
bibia bi
me MC jobs me acting me fashion me we sika no if you have I'm not stuck say content pen me creative so when you come to my page I have diversities obenya bibia bi on my page that is what makes me stand out
impact ben na wenya since 2020 to 2025 impact ben na wenya abroad hura TikTok
dear
sha ene o previous abrabono ene sesia asesa TikTok asesa no
100%
wow
100% because sika anka meye adwuma say obi afa me adwuma say menye adwuma like say Nayas afa me adwuma na me obetua me bosome no sika menya in a year no metime enya in a month from TikTok.
Wow,
do you understand?
Wow.
Because ene my yo advert ama maje china my obi ene ya my advert be 3 ni nyina maje sika menya no me so ya no pa kwa adwuma no pa wia me ba be da me ba be mabre tro.
It will person o kire say TikTok no ene ye o bigger and our biggest achievement.
Yes, yes, because TikTok sika TikTok dey ama me no me ka me adwuma for 5 years.
Yes wetimi ato efie nyina wo Kazako e TikTok. Oh yes. Oh yes, just say it's say mommy need daddy na omo nhye dan ni bi no yes anam TikTok so why properties be bree am bi animunyam ni bi aso omo so I say omo ti be bi kama ene abusua ni nyina eno ho asem te say
me ba cho mente da
Won't say that.
Oh, sir. But I don't think so.
It's alleged.
I am still a work in progress.
Okay.
I am still growing.
Okay.
I think say there must be a very active with TikTok here a year ni. Into I feel quite na starting.
Oh really?
Into I think say I'm still putting things in place. Sa nyoma na omo kane yedie ne fa hodie no ebe babatenya mai.
Ada na ya na dress it so ba. Tem bia say wo ye ho te say oba utimi sheslit nkaba wa she rig na wa she ma say shiki ho and I'm sad e man sunti a lot of people 99 people and 99% attack say oyegi eno me pa cho eda ho eda internet ni so because as o dress say oba one eno no my yenti ase say e content keke and na say fe na ye ofe ena ya na person ko for I don't know.
So I think said I make kind over my page, so I have so many things going on.
Okay.
And I think that cross-dressing for content started around 6-7 months ago.
Okay.
Not me pe ohinini adazoa. Not me penasem.
Okay.
And I mean who say uncle for the sound. A year videos.
Oh.
But now in a very comical way. Yeah, something very very catchy. I say. On any brace I'm not for as a more faba with the dear grow be normal the filter be so I decided I'm an actor. So I decided say I can do this.
Okay.
But I was thinking about and sembi seni ya woke kan. I don't know.
Enya me na make
I mean said ya so no aka mama.
Say me na me bi sa.
Ona mo kan no fi intimate.
Okay. Oh, but egu TikTok na so. Me be cross scandals be brave by yes na we gay na cross ansem ho no. Eno me tia say na me pesa o clear e ma me.
So
it's because of Adazoa
me fa na oye mame.
Okay.
Min dress it said my dressy.
Okay.
The humor in the whole video will be left out. Do you understand? Yeah, I think say me by a video say me jai when these things started popping up. Me say me jai. The number of people
are. If I share screen this one, and a share no. She say wash share. She say oh God wash share. Hey, Erade, where you serious? I can't want no. I makeup.
Yes,
oh no, this is serious.
So I have a lot of people almost share video where a helium. People prefer my version of these videos, these Adazwa videos to the original one. Okay. You also on the uncorrect video.
Okay.
Or train say people be
Quecy
tagging
official,
me. And then the humor, the drama be remu. That is the beauty of content creation. My ability to make you not want to watch the original show, but watch my version is what makes me creative. Ooh. But unfortunately, some of the people don't see it in that spectrum, which is fine. Yes, which is very fine. Some time ago, and Sembi Sane was getting to me. Okay. But me dad journey home. Me papa say na ehano say I didn't see na me.
Can baby say we say yeah na how parent.
But me tenase, and I me hear so many analogies.
Okay.
And I mean who say this is what brings food to my table.
Okay.
Me jai na me dinipa no echi na niema bia this doesn't harm anybody in any way. Okay. It doesn't harm anybody. Okay. And yet on a normal day, Nayas, you know, you wouldn't see me dressed in a ladies. And I'm in Kasate say oba, me elba ne. But when you see me, sometimes you see this video and you don't even, and you see me in person, you can't believe say me. Okay. Because there's
what to no why shadows in there concealer
but I mean it's content creation, so I think people should just accept say content creation. Okay. And that's it.
Okay. So you perceive this say entire na ya na odi yes. Oh mama no secret.
We need to know now if Miss Abby, my kid sister no.
Okay, sister. Yes. It's near money from A to Z ni nyina
from accessories. But hair no. Okay. Sometimes I get people are Quecy say sir na me born straight be Regis makeover. Born straight be na e wapa etu. I think say was 9,000 back here 9,000 back here 6,000 or time me the brand me say me fanya video. Sure. Just so me angasa me weeks be 7. Okay. And a man be say oh no see is go on to
different. Oh yes na ye to.
You people they buy it.
They buy it.
They do buy it.
As a man, now we ye adverts, papa, a man who near my adverts, you know. Now you better the something else.
No, because of how a man putting it on.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Atadi e shemi, femeboa.
Yeah.
Obi be she, o kon no se obi she sa atadi we. Mi jinemu a.
Kwe.
Enimonyam na edware me watade mu.
Papa, meba wo so sesi anana. Na che se de wo kan die. O se wei adwuma wo ye no. Eno na edi sika.
Yeah.
Edi I mean ene brew sika ma wonya bi edidi edi support ye busua de. O kan de na che se bibia ye de bebre wo bia se ye gay.
Okay.
Say yes sabi ade boni bia.
Okay.
Say ye cocaine ton say bibia no. Obe tun so obeye.
No. Say oba we obi a follow me TikTok.
Okay.
You would realize say I am a very positive person. I don't do anything contrary to Emra.
Oh.
And as a video I'm addressing this obey. There's no way I may make us say be a money game in that video.
Okay.
I am just reenacting another person's character.
Oh.
So when you see me in a video like this, the one that is playing, this is not Quecy official.
Okay.
This is Adazoa.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
And there is no way, and whatever I'm wearing, whatever I am included in, is portraying a female character.
Okay.
Not to say Bema should be like a woman. That is why I'm able to show this.
Okay, what dresses
my dress is Bema because
okay.
I am a man. I identify as a man.
Okay.
So when you see videos like this, I am portraying somebody's character. So you'll be our follow Madia and I say Tyler Perry. You see Tyler Perry say, or a great actor. Okay. Sometimes or a kokra, sometimes or a brewa, sometimes or a mame.
Madia now can ask him Minchawan. Some Madia dear sabi on one idea better to say or no dear or ye or so you bar.
No, I'm not talking about Madia now or TikTok. Okay. I'm talking about Tyler Perry.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Or your
United
States.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Ain't not just any reasons.
And yes, this is what brings food to my table. I don't insult on my page. I don't abuse people on my page. I don't throw people on my page. Whatever I do on my page is very, very reasonable. Brand.
Okay.
I don't do anything inhuman. I don't do anything instigate into the fact that I'm saying say me we say no and say ubia mfa bibia
na so be kwakofa bibia okay nyame onhram pa cho me sign about ho wadaro man papa pa cho edidi mu abre mu na nam so mre me try
me dase em say obo adwuma in fact obo adwuma nti dia me kan say onyame inhra na nyame enya ne kase on say wo hwe movie mu ne ade a on say to me de obi ye bayefo e wo bra onya bayefo
okay
ye to me de obi e konfo
wonya
e wo bra wonya konfo
bi ti say konfo colleague say wonya konfo
thank you
but say no obi ehu na e asem o
na hu ti say obi ti say che wa say ya once I was shot, nani a den. It didn't be a baby and near den. You want
to be betting at Nayas and Nayas, and any social so down to earth. Okay.
Thank you. It's in if you say the church them now watch them in a classroom.
Okay.
Because you know, my TBO, Quecy, gay, Quecy,
yes, and yes,
Obi, yeah, why one of them.
Okay.
One for them,
two TV so.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sadi and Obi, yeah, why one of them.
Okay. Quecy, a gay crana, you.
W. What not that be
oh, okay.
Because
not to me bomb.
No, the soft cum chacha me say, and Crawford can I care.
Okay.
Yes. You krumu wa de bia. Yes.
Okay.
That no make can say be your baby say, as will be your soft cum chacha me to a woman that. And so be asem obi aka e wo me ho no e da litirim so for ne yeso wonye
yes a prophet power pem
yes me nyama di wo yele da bi ma be di wo yele ma be di wo ba
papa pacho national ma be fa wo yere ana se ma be fa
ko so na me ye den ya o se wonnam wo obi aka bibi so for kum chacha yeso wonye pacho ma twitu aba wo dan mu
ana ma be bo apoda
ma be bo po aba twitu e de abesesa won yamada ana wo busua pani ekoto mu kokofu no na me ka ho na me wo busua pani koto mu kokofu wo jiska
okay
ti nya me nya no eye wo bi
na
na wo de agu wasom na wo de nam e bi anipa no kora na wo ka no kora no na on pemasem
yeah
na what time
yeah
what am I saying eti ebi ni mini Quecy die ya wo kan sabe kuromu wa no ugidi a na wo pagya
ene enya ho nsem
ene enya ho asem
ye pese ye bre wase
ye de ne ma ba target wo fo wa ma woni anya de na sa wan ko wani mu a obatwe abo wachi
yeah
what am I saying ye be di sofo a ye ba nyam dwuma mu no sa ye wa sofo bebro wa mitumi mo ndin wa ha Ghana wo ye si so ne ade no ye ni ade ne ye da so ginam what I say won wa no wani nya de ni nyina won atoto fom amebi kura wu ene ade eti no onyele na ho adwuma wo bo no obo adwuma ena de oye no sabe on me bo dawro nka se obi nkoye gay obi nkoye se eye ni business or branding na ho sabe ade no ebe koso eti na wo yasa
papa dwen se etiamra
Ghana constitution emra be ne
na say ya wo be ma na yes dresses to se be ma na we are no frantum o fraslit nkaba na wa straight dress the man e magugugu ukon mu a share rega kan
I think say
na entiamra
no I think say the etiamra ene se wo be hu be ma nipa ya wo ne se wo ye be ma na wo be hu ni krom na wa fa ema afade
okay
what any suno no
okay
but you will be a friend acting
okay
acting said you know can say obi nya beifo na yes won play beifo character oye ne yie said ye wa ye ne yie na wo so ye beifo o ye beifo fi say otimi ye ne yie eno ye acting do you understand I don't wear lady stuff outside
okay
and I'm a content na me create
no say me ntwa no ye ka say e bia she ma a pint we dey misremeka say bia fa chire bibi as
why say
o say bia obi dey ne brand bia ba say bia
Victoria Majid
me ba Victoria Secret for a pint e ma pint is a fair papa ye pese ye branding ye pese I mean kofo
it me na mention
so na sha me pa try ba sa obetim so dey bibia obeya
no I didn't say bibia
okay nti ba sa dia you can't right
no you can't what will make somebody a Victoria's Secret whatever come to me say or person or
say be an Brazia aba
or Tom Brazia me mo share I mean it doesn't make sense
okay
because enye me man e beto pant no
okay
do you understand pants underwear
papa no keka
ma ene share but so person me o de rap not necessarily say share met me asom
okay
we G-string papa aba asia ne dokama magic sika o
okay
ana nya bad say be me ton o me ma mo ton
panties
o me dey say lo mo ton panties but say me be share no be ye ho demonstration dey me ye
panties dey be ma o so mu a service
ya nwa e woro
me say me ye na me ton panties e ma no
anya bone
me ba ye ma
me cho mo ma ye nyina na abusia ye nyina
it say me draws ni mu na menye dollars dia abusia me de me nsa be biem e de a kire wi ase
it is na o ka say bibia o
me share
na kra me mani be bro na me si me yele pant me si me yele pant
no kra na woro wa ni nya de woro ana bi e kasa ke
e bi e kasa
e bi de o se na ro me da wa se me
e du be ado se na ro me
ya se da
e pa mo cho mi nyina
obi fa ne se woro de
e pa cho me ba
onim
na no kra ye di bom na ne
draws na area
ya cho ya hom bra wa wan mu nsem no dan say yet say why we no yire no presido
yeah
Ghana for say mbisa say presido one no mo maware no is it true and I say just agro bi keke presido ye wo dey woni
I've never said it anywhere say maware mean say
no but mo ni ye ni mo bibia
I just say aware
yes because my photo shooter my photo shoot abom patrol screen so mama wadaro me na da so no we traditional marriage if you any ade I just said that be a so wo chekawa e no no so chekawa but that time no me mo pam ntare ba ko bom ni ade
chekawa
sa photo shoot here da so yi na mo de dada Ghana for ya adwene ana ase na mo pese mo trendy ana ase de
I think say Ghana for ankasa no mo pasem
ye pasem okay
it's rasem
tem bia mo de mo hwani yansem can someone mumu feels you speak into existence na mo be say it should manifest.
Okay.
Me imagine baby anka say ma worry akosu me worry I'm not married.
Okay.
She's never mentioned anywhere say wa worry.
Okay.
Obeye photo shooter na wa share corseted dress and na Ghana ha na South Africa enim say obi share atade say unim corseted dress.
Oh come on.
Obi share corseted dress enim say wo worry na be special occasion.
For advert
and all year what tagging go forward say or Tony na wo say the way na why you fe no die or worry.
It's Monday tida.
Yeah, we are dating, but we are not married.
Quecy.
But if you dating somebody, you are not married.
It's not just a winning presido. So.
Yeah,
of course, now it's a mobile worry because some photo shoot where there is no way as a winning Nipani BB and it's not Ghana.
We are in a relationship. We are not married. And a picture we now who I have a fair fee. Vendors about we can take me 50% in him, jewelries me 50% in him, and go for team.
Okay.
Makeup a hair for aba, can take for aba, way for aba. A business. I am a business person. Some picture ya who hey, ye tongue, and ya may what picture in your tongue. The studio no, the trap picture near tongue. Ye tongue can no, ye tongue way, ya tie your money now. I see it. Any intro happy marriage caption, baby. Yeah. Wo na hu se enipa oba ne be magina ho nti omo ware wa wasem nya afa na me betwe phone asimanim abechirechirem sa nkomo ne nyina ayekoso ne ma me ye relevant
enti ade na wo hu o presido ho a e ma wo de kose ne pe
beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder no one can
obi a wo de ohu no oba ho de pe no
ne ho ya me fe ne ho ya me nika
Ghana for your person okay the person
na dia me dey kwa akopɛ no
ne ho ya ofe ne ho ya we na biem
eno a
wow etu abusuafo age atom
me ngori no wo ma age atom o it is
na wo dey ti obi a wontimi nkasa wo ni date e say wo hu na abusua na ono so hu
wo ni obi date enti mo am na o ma date nyina na mako hu o ma abusua
how long ni am start to date
I am a few months ago.
How many months ni
by 5 months ago
it won net bom
there be
obi am
ngori na me den na tena bom ye kristoni
it mba ware da be
yen na ware ho
mo nwina ware ho
there be
Quecy
we are still too young cause of e wa ha also for be catch say
bu ne Quecy a
me bu ne Quecy a okwan be
be no steady no
steady
na wo so ye kristoni a wa hia wo ba wo se ne ho ya ofe ne ho ya ni ka wo se ne ho ya
ni ka na ware
na what tena se kakra e se ba o de ho Canada
there be
on can to us ware
okay na
problem be no
adentina na problem be
oba de ko ware be ma na say one test anhwe na bedu no what is nya
na wo ye ne den
akọrọ wasan san
na what dey am na mo nya adwen me ma ni be brada ne testing officers enso mo nya adwuma o DVLA so ati say me test me the end me na wo ye oba na wa ma wani na wo pa
still sa
wo ye say be social won be yosa won be wasa
okay
bra paninti tio ade na du wo ho na nya oba ne fort e be ma ndi kura be kọ no no kwakui
enya
juma na tese
ko de ti wa na
Quecy official so enya juma na tese o chere say what tasty
Nayas
what tasty
tu testi obi a so ko
na also na tena for some months
5 months me ware no
it worry
edi entina me obese me ware
me pese there go say ne ho ya ofe 5 months so what's ware
me ba
ware how many times in here personal say what should I say what you better about things some date and I was so ye Christoni into won't me but marry
be se me nenent
but some go sorry
na se me nenent
marry akosida ben
me nenent
na se time wo ma be hu se that time no
na ya special obi san say who say we ye Christoni am Bible cassette ye adwaman Bible cassette
obi sam me na dam se there be
what's
on can't
se there be some gu me so
say open
for social video yi
and me pese me chires and
say was one way
papa wo betimi awe
the ye
because ebi a won timi stand heat no.
Okay, enti they say yen hwe nda be na mo bere.
Na me adum e wi a me frɛ.
Me pa cho that rush.
Yeah, we are. Me should that invite.
I mean, the person we commentator.
So they
say who date rush.
But we are me
do not go in.
Yeah, because I know they. And your mom will TikTok.
Yeah.
Almost to Makuma.
That's what
oh, that's all a nice boy.
And I'm
say was
me amount.
That be me yes, we be broken heart. Obenya broken heart. Say we dey trash no. E ko see say oba na unya no ho.
Menya oba o dey trash.
Okay, and we ko see say wo call ye.
Dey trash dey 2020.
Okay.
2020.
And they say we kran dem a wo call bi. Wo call so a we ni na ba fie.
No, that time na me free relationship mu fresh.
Okay.
And no kwanya me intention say me ko ho.
Okay.
I think say na me obi won komo ewo eho. One of the Onua presenters ni ti me ko ho. I think I went too early. Me call and then nipa na me call hwe ne nyambae.
Okay.
Enti obi o mama konya o tena so a o engage me. No say oh you are a very nice boy. That time na me ko ejuma e na me mafa hoti. Ma kato so dada. Ma botai pre-manager me te ho. Enti enkombodidie mu ana o say me wo girl na say o da bi na. Me free bi mu na no ye. No say oh ne mema obi. Me wo nipa so masi bi am na say ah sir. Ti ye did nkoma na o introduce day trash na de ma me. And I'm saying, oh, that time when I'm saying, oh, Debbie, send me back TV, so send me pay you did, Debbie. Mean to me. To only me doing comedy, and may yes, idea. I'll go and try.
But yes, so call you and the girls, no. What said that for Brunia? Every cocoa, mine say. Tell me, okay, say, and somebody be brought on ma. Answer your befro. Say you know by your interview. You could read who stories be and sana. Your baby saw. And when once some at say,
Menano cray,
and Yano cray. Deals to do was say, and now we start to say, yes, what just a deals in in fact, by 50. Be bring me adoma ye be yes, signing a new contract by God's grace. Okay. Spain City, a laundromat, laundry. Ah, eba beji Ghana hani wi ase nyina aboso ye ncheme invite o ye ba be signing nti pasho me take akonya we nam dey invite me father okay ene nana okay aha ye signing e easily gone ha me the details ne be ye signing you need I work with yes I work with deals ben ene ba ya one giantum one signing eba ne say na sika ni mo ha ana se na brand na wo mpe ana president na ka cho say deal we dey men sign oh there be okay no betima ka say sign and sign okay everything lies with me okay and I think say sir omo ye bet no patropedia voice kakra omo ye bet e bia me odd me ye odd sir no dey aba ene obema me 100 million kra me ntwa enkan aha me nya obi a me twa bi na eye tentative either say ebe bo ana emmo okay eti me mfa manim to mpedian edi manim me say nipa mesi twa us nti kone ho na wakọ na anko enye sure banker mbacha te de meka na say but nipa na approach you because onim say wo numbers eti me mfa me page na nye sa anyoma to dia obema me how one of the things I would be obema me millions menye go for pe wasempa e dey any secret and our kwaje drubi debi omo pe ma say because I am natural me fake okay me said me tie na sa na me tie it either say ompe me ankasa ompe ma asem ankasa but o obi a wo ye nipa a wo dwene a me obi a I'm one of the nicest person you ever want to make friends with yes e ma no omo kun ho pa apart from ngofo kansem mo na me kansem pa ogwanzo na wote egu social media so wakoye style me ntibi in fact egu what say ebi kura ho no ma ke kwei untimi nka nkyerɛ me sɛ ebi ma wo private use phone so oh sɛ na me di ho pa aha odi o sɛ be sɛ be ma bia ho ani woni pa bia ofo edu ba bia o mie wa no kora nka nkyerɛ oba sa wo pɛ no onwa na eba but ni nyina na ya hwɛ yie what ma say udu ba bia enya wo na abɛkyerɛ wo ba sɛ mepɛ wo onwa na eba but ni nyina ya hwɛ yie Asamna papa e kana no kure. Nayas. Nana. O ye bema.
na that's a man soon yes ya onye be ma osipi
eti wani je ho sane a emma no kono
ma su bebre nso enye
emma bebre enye papa no asasem na no ka no
emma su bebre di enye
emma su bebre enye ade na wode wanu abeto na wasa de wanu ko
negative side what you say be ma bi o wa da wo be wu nkwala ye de wo banko e ku 15 ana 10 ade bronsama bodua na what you say
na papa ni so 15 aye wo ma
One go na wo 15
wa wo wa ye kwa yi
wa hwe wo mo
ye kwa yi bi
ba ma ne ma so ba ne man kwa na timi ye
wa de nkwala 12 na bai wo bra na ne yele ne bro ne so ba bi akora aka se papa we
wo say papa mpa cho mi ntwa no me ba dodo
I intend there
uni ba enti wo tin se ma go se na ba
wo sheme se me ni ba
okay enti wo be wo da ba ye hwe anim da ba yi
me de me nyanka me wo SS time
wo ne presido na be wo
nyame be che
wo ne presido na be wo
minti min che
Quecy wo ho fe eyi na hihye wo senso no eye den ti na ma wo hihye sa fe
I have spaces in between my teeth.
Oh.
Into braces. It's supposed to bring them together.
Nti say eyi no ye de hye wo senso asa mo sele kwan
obiane ni motia o share braces.
Okay.
One is no bi abo apepe so.
Oh.
Obe say align.
Aso.
Ba me de spaces na e wo mu no. And I make closey.
But a fatal spaces in still a fatal pa.
But me sure say me closey so e be fatal.
After the other wo no. Okay.
On say genes any hereditary. Me ma me or spaces in between the teeth.
Okay.
But I don't say normal.
Unjin di say yes wuntina.
Oh, there be
free.
Man, you have 50 pesos. 25,000.
25,000.
But me
but you free.
Free. And you if you now me spaces or me simwa. A bit too obi. Any sebe enipa hunu. Na wa only upset because of maybe any person mesintim be say me reach of ntia dia o nya 25,000 enkoye no ye be frame I am
so it lasted for how many years and how many months and a close
in the next in the year 2 months ni so in a couple of 6 months close to a year no I was say na a close
what me renam
metimi nwe enam Mintimi nyenka say and so it has to be very soft. It's more of swallow. Adia o swallow. But untimi ndine said ye hwe ni because enye something over 30 years we unfamiliar. And all of a sudden say unya bibisa o ma e change enyoma bi. So it will take some time and sana wa adjust it.
Uchi usia u feel listen o shasa
normal.
Normal.
Just that udidi a stake. Into 10 bia no. So we are washing. So deliberately.
Na me see me bisa your time na so. Seconds per dia no obi dia ayewa ayewo ya pa be kasa untimi fa nche nipa ne da.
Obi anya hwe. Won kasa untimi nya hwe.
Untimi nya hwe. Obusu ni bia anya obi bu adamfo bia anya obi bi. Ura TikTok.
Don't hold grudges. Oya ma de na mani nya ho.
Na waka kire.
Ma ka kire. Me ni adaje am de wo ho amehwe me mo.
O ma me ye proud.
Very.
Wabusuanfo papa.
Very.
I'm proud of you.
Very. Say no cry unim baby. I am proud of you.
And some ya kanyina kwe me patro bonitofa to the wash off. Shame crime. Me patro some ya kanyina padaroma. Me patro o camera ni.
Okay. Abusan for Quecy official ni. Koma me no be for the last and say dear what settle mind say obe bia hwem na ye incident ye nipa. Because a nipa obe pull you down obe kan sem bi ebe ma abambu but say ugidi say de oye no e right na say e right en kwa dia focus on it ne jai bibia mu na manyankopon nya okane a because say wutie nipa no achi a ubegja wade pa bi ato ho na daachi bi omo asa be ka kire say nipa so masinkanya yi anko yesi nyesi anko yesi so whatever that makes you happier entiety nipa bi afa ahodie so no Koswa na ye na manyame enya okan.
Quecy for social media handles to na fa number bia obi pe say bia MC na bibia mpacho fa number no to ye bre no.
Social media na ye Quecy official QUECY Quecy official on all social media platforms. Se unhia me se one me enye bibia o pese me me advert ma o pese me nye MC ma wa DM me be the number e beto so ma be frɛ me je o number na me frɛ se ye wa ampa eti number ne de DM me obi a nkrofo DM me pa me nya many messages but me what time am me de checking in nyina nti pacho send me a DM I'll reply.